People, welcome on the Politricks Watch. This is Happy. Now, today I'm going to be talking about a picture. Let me see. Now, it's a picture of what look like an ad on a train station. And the ad, right, some of the first thing I'm going to talk about. I'm telling you, say, Iron Man people don't know the difference between being celebrated and being mocked. Don't know when somebody has basically reduced you to a caricature. Yeah. I'm going to address it. Before we go into that, this week, straight up until Sunday, it's going to be interesting. I'm going to drop a video, tell you how I go on. Man. But let's just say, we're finally going to be changing gear. Yes, believe it or not, from whichever point you start to support the movement until now, I one gear that. Right. We're upshift. So you know, say, it's serious. You might think to yourself, then all this time I one gear? All this time I one gear. You're going to reach a whole different level. Plus, with some big announcements, right? Major event that take place, right, we're going to talk to you about. Yeah. So, just look out for that during this week. I'm talking about picture of me see. Of what me see what look like one ad. You know, on the train station, they might have some little square things that they put in some ads. Right, so this is one of them. Picture was taken at College Station, Line 1, right, on the subway, Finch Station via Union Station. Right, on the northbound track. When you see how accurate, we break it down. So you know exactly where it is. Right. I want you to look at the picture. And you don't know this is in Walk, Canada. Yeah. I want you to take a good look on this picture. Coming on the phone already, face beaming with pride. Right. Oh, it's so great that Canada is doing something like this to represent. It's so great. I love it when they show, because people love Iron Man. Sure about that? Let's take a good look on the picture before we start. Because I want to know, right, you know. Because I know there's basically going to be two sets. There's going to be one set what me say is beaming with pride. What this they write this up on big train station in Canada? No man, things are gone. Right. And then there's going to be the other people, right? Who, right? Well, my thoughts are probably going to align with them. But I'm telling you, right, what happens when you become, right, a caricature? What happens when you become the court jester and you think people are laughing with you and really they're laughing at you? Before I start, let me just say this. Right. As the song say, girls just wanna have fun. Right. I am not, right, one of them people who feel say, you know, when people go out, especially when they go party or they must have stand up like statue. I don't subscribe to that, right? Especially when women go out, them want to dance and move their body and all that. No problem whatsoever. So I don't want nobody think say this. I'm condemning, you know, the people having fun and when I dance and go on. That's no problem. We love when time the woman them want them body gyrate them ways. Right. The problem is when that becomes your entire identity, and that's what the world know you as and for. That's when the problem start. Because every woman on earth want to have fun. Some of them might have fun at the party, some of them might do it in front of the mirror. Every woman want to have a little fun, but it's not every woman. Man. This is the image that they are known for. Let's look on the picture. You know. So this is clearly a black woman, because we can see her afro. Right. Foot skin out, and the drawers is the Jamaican flag. You see, I'm telling you, say, one time I don't stand for nothing, them things are me. Right? So we don't take them things as compliment. Right? The bingo, right? The Pandriva, I don't know what that is, but it's the Jamaican flag. Of all the places, then could have put the Jamaican flag in the crashes. Of all the things them could have depicted, a woman, a black woman, a Jamaican woman doing, them have upon her head top skin out. Right? And in the middle of the skinning out is the Jamaican flag. Now you see this and you beam with pride. You walk past in Canada, walk Canada and you say, oh look on that boy, they're embracing the culture. And who knows, maybe I even want quote unquote Jamaican right. But when was on him on the train station and him on the ad space. Right. Them things have to get signed off. People are going to say, what's the problem? I don't see the problem. Alright, here's a simple test soon. No phone, I don't see the problem, people. Ask yourself this question. Where is the Canadian equivalent? This is in Canada. So make them pick Gwyneth and fear it up with the Canadian flag in her crotches. Show me that now. Show me it. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm overreacting. So show me the same transition. Since this is just something normal with them. Show me this for multiple culture, not just Canada and Jamaica. I want to see, alright, this is how I take it all back. Show me 5 other countries like this. 5 other, show me the woman from India like this. Show me the Indian woman. When I say Indian, I mean, Coolie or Dougal or Caribbean. Caribbean people call Indian, Guyanese. I mean India, the country. India. Over 1 billion people. Show me. For them picture. With the Indian woman on her head, skin out, with the Indian flag in her crotches. Then could have put the Jamaican flag anyway. Anyway. At all. Then could have made the shoes Jamaican flag. Then could have made the glasses the shirt. Then could have even made the socks. Then throw it right in her crotches. That's symbolic. So this is how, the world look on them. And you're proud. You're proud. I'm telling you, so when the rest of the world want engage in certain behavior, first thing them do is book a ticket to Iron Man. Them conservative in their own country, respectful in their own country. Right? They're prim and proper in their own country. They're sophisticated in their own country because they reach a Norman Man International Airport. Them dip on them head top and concrete block a beat them catches. When them done 2-3 weeks, then go back to the yard. Right, all of a sudden, them have sense again. Keep doing it where you come from, since nothing wrong with it. It's just fun, right? Do it on the streets of Tokyo, do it on the streets of Berlin. You won't. And you know why. Because people look when you like it on the sense. When everyone is about, oh, it's just fun, they love the culture, what's the problem? No problem. If you not have a problem, me not have none. And listen, if Jamaican women have no problem in the world seeing them as nothing more than small, if you go up on them head top, go skin out, then who am I if you say something? If you not have a problem with it, then who am I? Right, I'm just a little YouTuber. Right. I wonder how women from Rwanda would feel if them see somebody draw or Rwandan woman put her head top skin out with the Rwandan flag. I wonder how women from Ghana and them play. I wonder how they will look on it. Maybe they wouldn't care. I don't know. Let me say. Right, I could be overreacting. I'm just a little YouTuber. Right. This is not my specialty. My specialty is bad minding artist, but I'm just thinking to myself of all the things them could do. Of all the things them could have depicted. Right. There are 15, 20, 30 different parts of Jamaican culture, and there's only one the world want to embrace, and it's the skin out part. Yeah. The skin out part and the get high part, and it's like, you embrace it. You got a foreigner man to you say, oh, you know Bob Marley? You smoke weed? And you know you're about herbs and you still have that skin off your teeth with Billy Joe. For your runway man. We don't have strength for Billy Joe. See who we have strength for is like, bloggers. Because you're the type of genius that go around, look at, check out, crime channels and then complain and see how you about crime. And then all of a sudden you find your strength to protest. Going on the strength when you're being made a mockery of. This is buffoonery. I'm saying, maybe I'm overacting. Show me the Icelandic version of this. But only thing women in Iceland want to have fun. Only thing women in Iceland that dance and have fun, they do. You think women in Portugal, you think women in France and them places, you think they don't have fun and dance? They do. So why they don't get portrayed like this? Them go on the most way. I mean, them get drunk and go on the most way. So why they are not portrayed like this? And why they wouldn't accept being portrayed like this? I'm telling you right now, right, if a group of German women see this, or the German people see this, see them German flag, you know, one German woman catches one at the top, Canada or whoever responsible is have take it down. Have take it down, and them tell us say, even if we do things like that, we not make you put it on the road, on a poster. In your country. Maybe in our country, but not yours. You know for say so. And they say they could have put the flag anyway. But then put it on the bingo. He's so pro. They loved it, they're embracing the culture. Look on the coconut tree. This is real Iron Man. Coconut tree. Soundbox. Skin out. Irie. But I say maybe Jamaican women, black women have no problem being portrayed like this. This is just that's how it go. At least they're embracing us. All you do is bad mind scam, alright. Cool. The most concerning thing for me in all of this is the flag. Where the flag are, do not catch it. You see, if you have respect for self-respect for the real culture, not, let me explain something to you. Not fighting them on embrace as culture now. Not fighting them on the claim say a Jamaican culture is actually a bastardization of various cultures. Let me repeat that. Not fighting them on the embrace now and claim say our culture, right, a Jamaican who was alive just 50 years ago wouldn't identify, wouldn't even know him or look on. The fighting them want to call our culture is actually a bastardization of various cultures, mainly the United States and Europe, especially the United States. The funny thing they may see in Iron Man, right? It is America. It start Uncle Sam culture rub off on Iron Man, and the Iron Man so long, people start claiming it as our culture. When I start about the head top thing, I talk about in general now. Now, if I think they make this, oh, but that culture, that wasn't our culture originally. Uncle Sam especially has had a major influence on Jamaican quote-unquote culture. Major influence. Now for the things them on, now for the way how Iron Man people walk and talk, them don't even know say that no original to Iron Man. At Mr. Old Time Jamaican wouldn't even identify, they be looking at you like you're a stranger. Therefore they don't even know real Iron Man culture. The idea is that Iron Man was always a place where everybody does go, like, you know, the skin out and go on the most. That's actually not true. Like, especially if you go back in time, in public, it was always about modesty and everything. And again, I'm not saying people must wear long dresses down to them ankle and, you know, act like saints. I'm not saying that, but we now overplay this culture thing now. Right? Make it sound like, you know, like granny and great granny did not the middle of the road or skin out a beat them from the concrete. It wasn't happening. People was not rubber dubbing in a dance. I see a video with you. Of people actually are rubber dub in a one dance. I mean, naked as the day them born, man and woman are rubber dub in the dance, and people stand up there and watch. Now and dance, sound a play, music a play, and the two people them there, man there, right, I blow her back to smithereens. You know, and dance. That right there, so people go say, oh yeah, that's an Iron Man culture. It's just that the boundaries kept getting pushed and pushed and pushed till it reaches so. If I think someone want to go out on a dancehall and claim so dancehall culture, it's not dancehall culture. If I think they want to claim so what is Jamaican culture, it's not Jamaican culture. If I think they want to take up and run down and claim so it's our, then have to do it our. Follow or not follow. What does me say? Right. If you have no problem being depicted like this, then who am I? Right. You go up on the step, look on the bright side. Canadians and Americans and all these people, quote unquote, love you. Right. Then can't wait to fly down, come get God treatment from you. Because that's how they get God treatment. Right. Nobody in Arkansas, but I suppose it's a divine being in the Ironman. And the Caribbean as a whole, you can argue guilty of it, but Ironman my response for. More about my yard first. Anyway, Kitchen Squad, big up on yourself. PIA, don't know, more life. Ultra Squad, see you circling. Bless.